I'll never forget the day that I found out she had a boyfriend over in Germany. My first thought was also, ooh, I bet he has an accent. Obviously thinking it was some tall German man. And then
hey, leave the tall part out.
A week later, I found out that he was from New Jersey. So she went all the way to Germany to fall in love with someone who lived a state over the whole time.
Can't believe that the day is finally here. It was 2 years ago today that we fell in love in a single night, even though all of the tequila shots, I will never forget how magical that night out with you was. I really liked watching Shrek the next day. We were totally accidentally in love. So cheesy, I love it. I'm so incredibly excited to tie the knot with you today. You mean the absolute world to me. You're my soulmate, my best friend, my confidant, my sock. I love you. That's so pretty. I'm gonna cry. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Since we have you here.
Not crying yet.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna make me cry. Love you.
All right, I'll stop.
Dear Hugh, it's our wedding day. I can't believe this day that we have been dreaming of for so long is finally here. Seems like just yesterday we were falling in love on that snowy night. You're the most thoughtful, loving, caring, and funny man I know. You are everything I have ever imagined for a husband, and I know you'll be the very best dad to our babies. I love you more than life itself. I'll see you at the altar. Love, Emily. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. To Hugh and Emily.
Cheers.
He's the best.
There he is, guys.
He's the best.
He's the best. My nerves are crazy. You guys get me all fired up, too. Emily, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Hugh, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Together, Emily and I will navigate life's highs and lows, supporting each other every step of the way. We will laugh together, we'll cry together, and we'll grow old together, knowing that our love is the strongest force in the universe, and most importantly, that we will always have everybody in this room to call upon. So here's to all of you, here's to us, and to the journey that lies ahead. May it be filled with plenty of laughter, incredible adventures, and endless love.